Oh. Wait!
I got it! No! I saw it first! Let go!
Well, now you each have half.
I can grow the biggest plant! In 7 days? You need a plan. I need a shovel.
He wants to start without any information. I have information. We have 7 days.
Maybe this is our chance. Our chance for what? A family garden. One garden? Tanan garden. 2 gardens. I agree.
2 small garden areas. 1 for each of you.
You choose your plants. You take care of them for 1 week.
What are the rules?
Take care of your own side.
On Friday, Atlas and I will choose the winner.
Then I will win.
And you must ask before you use a tool.
Can I use this shovel?
After breakfast.
See? Safe.
Breakfast first. Shovel later.
Look at this one. That is a tree.
It is also $200.
I don't need a tree.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I need a plant for a sunny garden. Oh. I need the fastest plant.
The fastest?
Yes. I have 7 days.
These are young plants. They already have roots and leaves. About 6 hours a day. Check the soil before you water it.
Sunlight, 6 hours. Water only when the soil is dry. This is the one!
Tomato plants can grow fast, but they need support. Do not give them too much water, and do not move them too often.
I'll take 3. Start with 1. It says fast growing. Yes, but fast does not mean easy. You also have instructions.
Right. Instructions. Six hours of sunlight. Check the soil every morning. Water only when it is dry.
Fast growing. That is all I need. Did you read the other side?
It has another side? Your plant needs support. Do not move it too often.
My plant needs speed. I'm going to win. Not if I grow faster.
This sounds very friendly. Small tools for small gardens.
I can use the big one.
Start with the small one.
I'm making 2 equal sides. This side is mine. That side is yours. Arrow. What? Your dirt is on my side.
Dirt does not have a side. It does now. Let them try.
Move your hole this way. 20 centimeters. Ugh, that is too far. 10 centimeters.
15.
Fine.
First day. First picture.
Friendly contest. Right, friendly. The soil is still wet. No water today.
Good morning, plant. Are you thirsty?
Did you check the soil?
I checked it.
Is it dry?
It will be.
Scout's plant grew 2 centimeters.
Arrow's plant grew 5 centimeters.
Yes! Fast growing.
One small scoop for each garden.
Hey, Scout. Those flowers look great. They grew 3 centimeters this week.
How is your tomato plant?
It is growing fast.
It has too much water.
You don't know that. Yes, I do.
My grandma says too much water can hurt a plant. You didn't follow the instructions. Your plant is only doing well because your side has more sunlight.
We divided the garden equally.
The sun did not divide it equally.
I'm getting more water. Do not touch my side.
What are you doing? My plant needs more sunlight.
Maya said, do not move it too often.
It will only move once.
Arrow, move it back.
It needs sun.
You broke the rule. The rule is not fair. Hands off the plant.
What happened?
He moved his plant to my side.
Her side has all the sun.
Tell him to move it. Tell her to share the sun.
I will not choose for you. Find an answer together.
I'm going home now.
Strong wind and heavy rain will arrive at 6 o'clock.
We have 3 hours.
Both gardens need protection.
My work for today is finished.
The weather changed.
The plan is still the same.
A plan can change, too.
How strong is the wind?
Wind may reach 60 kilometers per hour. You need a simple, safe cover.
I can make it strong.
Start now. We finish before the strong wind arrives.
My flowers will be fine. Mine will be safer than fine.
Put your materials here first. I need to check them.
That cover is for light rain.
I will follow every step.
I need more walls.
Plants need air and water. They do not need a house.
Take only what you need. You can share the rest.
I need this.
I need all of it.
It is big enough for 2 gardens. I'll use the small cover. Where will the water go? No water can get inside. Mine is stronger. Mine is correct.
You have 20 minutes.
Arrow, that is a very big cover. Nothing can get through it.
It is moving!
Step back. Do not hold it in strong wind.
It is only moving a little. Arrow, look down.
The water is outside. That is good. Your water is coming into my garden. It is rain. It is not my water.
Both gardens are in danger.
He blocked the drain. Her cover is in my way. This is your fault.
No, it is your fault.
Stop blaming each other. Look at the garden.
We have 10 safe minutes. After that, everyone goes inside.
The timer starts now.
My plan is not working.
Can you help me? Yes. Let's do it together.
First, we open the drain.
Then we move the big cover.
Then we build one low wall here. Only one wall? It can stop the wind. The rain can still go into the drain.
3 steps. I can do 3 steps.
Put every loose tool in here.
8 minutes.
Atlas, can you help me? This is too heavy.
Tell me where it needs to go.
Over there, please.
It's working. Keep going.
This cover is too big. We don't need all of it.
5 minutes.
Arrow, can you help me?
We can use this here.
Good idea. Come on. Ah! The water is moving away from the plants. Your idea. Our idea.
My label.
They are stronger than they look.
The storm is over. Watch your step.
Your flowers are hurt. Your plant is still alive.
What do you want to do first?
Help his plant stand up. Flowers first. We can do both. I should have listened. I should have listened. Me too.
What should this say now?
Second picture.
Where are the two gardens? They are gone.
This is one garden now.
It looks better without the wall.
Every garden has something special.
We said we would choose one winner.
We found one. We did not grow the biggest plant.
Not this week.
Next week?
Maybe.
It is still wet.
Good check. We can water it tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
That's the new plan.